Welcome to our short series, An Intro to Crypto. Crypto is pretty complex, and if you're new to digital assets, it can be hard to wrap your head around what crypto is, how it's used, and why many believe it will play such an important role in the future of our financial systems. Crypto is a meeting point between computer science and finance. Both disciplines are complex in and of themselves, and I wouldn't blame anybody for being a little intimidated at first. We want all of our current and future Binance users to be tooled with the right resources in order to buy, trade, and hold crypto with confidence. To help you get started with DYOR, or doing your own research, we've put together a short series of videos explaining the foundations of blockchain and cryptocurrency. We cover topics like what is crypto, how a blockchain actually works, how to store your crypto safely, what's the difference between Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3, and even a fun guide to crypto terminology. If you need further explanation or you've got any questions on the videos, please drop your questions in the comments and our team will do their best to help. I hope you enjoy our Binance Australia Intro to Crypto.